Hi, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a super easy polygel look with some beginner friendly nail art. These are the tips I will be using along with some more Bomb Polygel that I got from Amazon. I will be sure to leave everything linked down below. These nail tips were super nice, no C curve, and I believe they are 2XL. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these, and I did put on some fill off face coat. I'm going to reshape and refile them and all of that good stuff off camera. Here's how the nails are looking once I'm finished. I am going to go in with the Moravine Polygel, and I'm applying this to all of my nails today. So the application was fairly simple. I will let you guys go ahead and watch me apply this to a few nails, and then I'll be back. Once I get that one applied, I did cure for 60 seconds in the lamp, and be sure to wipe them off with some alcohol because the polygel does leave a sticky or tacky layer. So now I'm going to go in with my next nail, and I do love more about polygel. They have pretty affordable polygel, and it's firm, but it's also soft and easy to move around, as you guys can see. So I'm going to let you guys go ahead and finish watching this. I just wanted to mention that. Once I get all of my polygel applied, here's how the nails are looking. And I did apply them just a little bit thicker, so I did not have to encapsulate. I'm just going to go in with my 8080 nail file, along with my Melody Susie nail dust collector. And I'm just going to reshape and refile these nails, take down some of that bulk, and get that shape more crisp. So I will let you guys go ahead and enjoy this filing part. And just keep in mind that I did speed this video up just a little bit because it would have been really, really long. So if it looks like I'm moving a little bit more fast, then that's why. I also want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. If you're new, make sure to like and subscribe before you leave. If you do enjoy my videos, make sure you are liking and subscribing. It does help me out so much, and I do appreciate it so much. And I can't wait to give back to you guys. So again, make sure you are liking and subscribing if you like what you see here. After I get the nails reshaped and filed, here's how the nails are looking. I was really obsessed with the glitter color in these. Like, yeah, I was really obsessed. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe them down with some alcohol. And when I apply the top coat, like, I think I would wear these just nude how they are, just as is. Because the glitter on these are so pretty. Like, at the end, if you stay tuned to the end, you will see a close-up. And they're just really pretty. Like, the camera was not really doing it justice at all. So anyways, I'm going to go in with my top coat and apply that before I begin my nail art. And keep in mind that today's nail art is beginner friendly. It's not extravagant. It's not hard to do at all. And it is very simple and basic to do. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my top coat, and then you will see me go in and start my nail art. I am going to use my little palette to place my colors on. And just look at that. Like, I will wear those just like that, period. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and place my colors on my palette that I'm going to be using. And I did end up switching out the yellow and the blue because they just were a little bit too light, a little bit too pale for what I was going for. So for this, I'm just going to use this black liner gel to go in and kind of make like the string for the Christmas lights. I did do some kind of like loopy loops. And I did have an inspo pic off to the side on my other phone that I was looking at to kind of, know where to go with this, because as I've already mentioned before, I'm really not an artist. I can't draw at all. So like the simpler, the better for me. So yes, this was super simple to do. And if I can do it, then you can too. So I will let you guys go ahead and sit back and watch this. I also did make sure to have a cleanup brush off to the side to clean up my lines. Like, that's very important, because if the lines look, more clean, then it just kind of makes the nail art look that much better. So be sure to have a cleanup brush. And I just had like I think a polygel brush, I believe, off to the side that I was using to clean up my lines. So yes, and I did apply that to all of the nails except for my ring finger and my thumb. My thumb is going to just be plain because it's really not in the picture. But for my ring finger, I am going to do a simple Christmas tree design on that. So I am going to leave that one blank. And it did take me a few tries to get the little lines and the little loops, how I wanted them to be, presentable for me. But a couple tries and I was good to go. So don't give up if, they don't look right that first time, because I did erase this like 2 or 3 times, I believe, off camera. And this one that you guys are seeing is like the final product that I actually like. So yes. Once I get that down, here's how it's looking. Now I'm going to move on and make the little black things for the lights to come out of. Once I get that down, I am going to cure it in the lamp. Now that I have those, I'm just going to go ahead and place my colors on my palette. And as I said, I did change out the yellow and the blue. They were just a little bit too light. And to do my Christmas lights, I kind of just did them in like a oval, I would say, or more like a kind of like a teardrop type method. That was just easiest for me. And in the end, I really love how they turned out. So I am just going to show me doing a little bit of that process, but it was the same for each of the nails. And then I will move on to my ring finger. And you will only see me placing the red lights on the nail, but I did do that for each color. And I just kind of did it in like a oval method, as you can see. And I just filled the oval in. And that was pretty much how I achieved my Christmas light look. And I'm just going to repeat the same method for each of the colors on the nails. Here's how the nails are looking once I get all of my colors on. Super cute. Now I'm going to go in with this simple kind of zigzag design to create a little Christmas tree, and I've seen this done a few times. It's super easy. I do wish I would have did it a little bit more centered than kind of off to the side, but either way it came out super cute. I'm going to go in with this black, and then I did outline it with silver, as you can see here, just to kind of give it a little bit something more. And then I did go ahead and place a little silver star at the top using that same gel polish. I did it with black first, and then I went over it with that silver metallic gel polish to create my star. And that was pretty much it for this set. Once I finished my nail art, I did make sure to cure that for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my top coat and cure that as well. Once I'm finished with that, I am going to go in and apply my cuticle oil, and that will be all for the set today. Now I'm going to go in with my cuticle oil, and that will be all for this set today. Let me know what you think down below. I really do love how this set turned out. I think the nail art was very beginner friendly, and it turned out super cute. I really love that glitter polygel that I used. I'm going to make sure to leave everything linked down below so you guys can check it out. And yes, make sure you guys do like and subscribe if you're not already. The more likes and subscribers I get, it does help me out, and I do appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.